Hello guys, good morning everyone. How are you guys? How's your morning so far? I'm doing great. As always. Hello! Yesterday was super cold, remember this? So yeah, it's cold, like it's cold hands now. I'm living in Florida, yeah, I know. So I was cold yesterday. Pink today should be big W? I hope so. I hope so. Hello guys, good morning. Today we're gonna finish early at 10:50 because at 11 I'm gonna steam on NinjaTrader. So from one steam to another steam. Any color. See? Of course. Okay. You love this color as well. Bought this long time ago. Just didn't wear on streams. So guys, are we bullish or bearish today? Good morning everyone. Interesting question. Someone asked any South African here, which prop firm you can trade. If you go on my website, click here and firms by country. So prop firms by country, you can find South Africa here and see which prop firm you can trade from your country. So you have 9 available options. Tradify, Funded Next Futures, Funded Futures Network, Top 1 Futures, Legends, Earn to Trade. Binox never try, by the way, them. Blue Sky and Tradify Crypto. So yeah, you can trade Tradify. Let me send you a link how you can search by country. It's over here. You're very welcome. I sent link in the chat, so just in case you want to explore this more. Hey Barbara, how are you today? So guys, what is your bias today? I was trying to figure out, kind of want to see higher, but at the same time I see no setups for this. Yes, keep respecting 2 standard deviation, so but staying above daily open and kind of in sync with NQ, which is good actually. Hey Michael, deep, yeah. Pullback back to daily open, then probably long. On NQ we have obvious target, which was yesterday 381 and 400. So if I don't know, but maybe NinjaTrader, gonna type in the chat from 11 to 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So what I want to see, yeah, we were talking about NQ. I want to see maybe something like that. But I want to see we staying above daily open and equilibrium of previous weekly range level. Yes, Daniel, exactly. I'm not even surprised anymore. That's so funny. That's why I typed this in the chat because I knew. Probably I'm on mute again. I need to update my TradingView app. Okay, not gonna do this now. That's funny. Let's see. Definitely want to see lower first. Really hard to enter without pullback. How deep pullback is gonna be? Probably around daily open. I think so. So we still can drop like, I would say 100, 150 points on NQ. Probably will trade NQ today, but maybe something will change. So yesterday, guys, ended up being red on Tradify. I had to screenshot 1 second of my PNL. Didn't post this, by the way, on Twitter, but I'm gonna show you now. So yesterday, I ended up being red on Tradify. Hit my personal daily loss limit, which is $400. That's my PNL yesterday. So as you can see, oh, yeah. So it's my personal daily loss limit. I know it's not a lot. It's just my personal daily loss limit. Made good money on Take Profit Trader, $500. Made money on Lucid, but yesterday ended up being red on Tradify. Of course not. It's $300 loss. No, of course not. I have personal daily loss limit, which is like how I manage my accounts. Just loss. How it can be blown with $380 loss? I mean, no. So let's see what we're gonna get today. I grew my Tradify accounts like a lot. This is so good now. But yeah, took a loss yesterday. It is what it is. Let's see if you're gonna get pullback, and I will try to long. Maybe it's gonna be at the open. Not fun, but maybe. Depends how deep the retracement is gonna be right at the open. Good morning, guys. Well, guys, did you see gold? Like, did you see gold? It's actually wild. Let me see. Not sure. It's like last day of the week, short week. Not sure I'm gonna trade this, but we can try to long gold today for like 50 points above this level. Not here, 1 second. Not now, definitely. Break above this level, pull back to 62, long. From, let's see, if it's gonna break 41.60, then retrace back to 41.40 and will stay above this level. I will try to long from 41.45 front sol to aim for 42.10. So yeah, Michael, we can drop. I'm perfectly fine with this. What I want to see for shorts, this is possible. Let's see how we're gonna stay, if we're gonna stay above or below daily open. So I will see if I want to short or long this. Chris, probably manipulation will be used for reversal. Probably, especially if it's gonna break below daily open. This one is OT. It's like old OT from here to here. It's like old OT, but it was important one for continuation lower, so I'm gonna leave this. I mean, a good job. Obviously, I didn't trade London. 7,400. Let's see what I have. It's gonna be big gap, right? Like 20, 25 points. I'm gonna delete this one. And this one. So let me see what I have at 7,400 in case like we're gonna drop this. Just want to have same level. I don't have 7400, but I see 7430, which is 50%, which lines up with equals here. So if it's gonna break below daily open, we may look for shorts. Not now. Just wait. Let's see how we're gonna open. Then we will try to act accordingly. Yes, Amelia, that's right decision. Once again, I'm perfectly fine to short today because ES still respecting two standard deviation, SPX respecting 50% of 4 week. I'm okay to short. Let's break below daily open first. Okay. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys if you just joined? Let's hit the like button, share the stream, as always, guys. What's that? What chart is this? It's MNQ and MAS. You can see this over here, see? Symbols with time frame. Hey Rose, long time no see, how are you? Everyone doing great. I woke up today at 6, like, because it was heavy rain with lightning. So yeah, it was crazy today. I was like really scared. I was about to have heart attack because it was super loud. Okay, we broke below New York midnight open on MNQ, still kind of holding New York midnight open on ES. Into hourly fair value gap, let me see. Which one? This one? This one not formed yet. Oh, small one. Okay, I see. We don't have this on MES, so maybe it's not that important then. So I prefer to see like retracement to high time frame fair value because when we have this on ES and NQ. So if it wants to like go there, probably it will go through this hourly fair value gap, most likely. But let's keep this on our chart. I'm not sure we're gonna get any reaction. Michael, are you still here? So you're right about 7400 on SPX only because if it's gonna break below daily open, we may hit weekly open today. And it's gonna drop way more on SPX than this level. We still have flat candle over there. Nice indicator, right? It highlights exactly how order blocks that which I use, exactly the same sequence I use. It's really nice one. And also, like what I love about this indicator, it has open source. Like we can read code here, which is so cool. Let me share the link for order block indicator in the chat. So technically it highlights sequence of down close candles or up close candles. I sent link in the chat. So for example, it highlights potential order block which not formed yet. So it even like says it's gonna be potential change in the state of delivery, bearish order block if it's gonna close below these 3 up close candles. Or for example, we got the closure above sequence of down close candles. Yes, we have bullish LB here. SPX projections, let me show you. So I measure it from this low. See? From this low, it was from Friday, June 26, 4 p.m. to current high of the week. So it's 50%. So for now, I will be conservative. In case I see short, I will aim for 50% on SPX. Next week. Okay, I see. Yeah, technically makes sense because it's gonna be a huge trap if I want to see this today. And today, most likely, no. Kiss, I'm here. You can ask me if you want. Just saying. But as long as we stay above daily open, I'm leaning to bullish, at least for now. It's TradingView, yes. But I'm gonna execute on NinjaTrader. Right, Barbara? I mean, that's funny. As long as we're above daily open, I don't want to talk about shorts. I want to talk about 381 on NQ. I want to, let me delete this by the way, for 1 second, completely balance this. I want to delete this, 1 second. Why cannot? Oh yeah, look at this low this liquidity run. Look at this liquidity level here. Look at this 50% of this week. As long as it's staying above daily open, I'm looking like to clear this. I'm not going to even talk about shorts as long as above this level. So, well, I'm not a fan of trading multiple accounts using TradingView because, once again, I can connect my leader account to TradingView and I can connect my leader account to NinjaTrader. It's going to be same account, but it's not going to always work. I had the problem before with slippage, with different executions, with problem to close the position. So I ended up taking positions only on NinjaTrader. From the other side, it's helpful for me because I don't focus on my trade, so I can see invalidations on TradingView once I execute on NinjaTrader, because like psychologically it's really hard to look, for example, on invalidation of your trade when you see executions on your chart. You only focus, okay, I'm long here, and definitely, for example, short coming now. And I'm like, no, since I'm in long, I'm gonna focus only on longs. I'm gonna ignore shorts opportunities. But yesterday was a great example of this. So we entered short on yes, but at the same time, since I didn't see any executions on TradingView, I saw setup on NQ, long on NQ. So we closed like short position on yes, which was like wrong one. Opened up on opposite position on NQ. We got 115 points or so on NQ. Nice, amazing. So it's really helpful. I would say TradingView keeps you focused, because when you execute on TradingView, do everything on TradingView, it's really hard. I mean, I trade on TradingView from time to time from my phone. I'm not fun. Are we going to weekly open? Let's break below daily open first. So we will see. You're gonna lower your risk? I will see. Depends how good setup is gonna be. But still, I don't know, like no setup yet. So 1-7 trade, I always like show like this. We trade together. Amazing, perfect. If you don't see a NinjaTrader on your screen, this means I'm not on trade. Nothing to hide. What is SWI? SPX seems bearish to me as well, like because we're expecting 50% of our week. But once again, we're gonna open this gap. Gap gonna be at 70. We're gonna open here around this level, so be aware of this. So gap gonna be big. No, not ready to short. Chris, I didn't say I'm looking for shorts. I didn't say this. Listen to me. I said I cannot short this as long as above daily open. I need to hide this 1 second. Yesterday we took 2 trades. I took 3 trades yesterday. My third trade was off stream, it was last. I just show you my P&L from yesterday. Took $200 last yesterday after stream. Not after stream, it was from my phone. Like it was shit setup. Don't repeat this at home. It was just painful yesterday. Let me show you. I mean, like nothing to hide. I'm pretty much transparent about every single trade I take. That was my P&L from yesterday. It's not today. Today I took nothing. It's from yesterday. I was trade after stream on my TradingView accounts, $100. Then I took trade like in 2 hours or so. Risk was $200. I took a loss. And I was like, done. Enough for today. Because my personal daily loss limit is around like $400 on these accounts. Perfect. Amazing. It is what it is. So no complaints. Ended up being like green on CPT and Lucid and red on Tradify. Fine. Yeah, I was listening Lady Williams' presentation yesterday. Not trade. I didn't trade this. I was just listening from my pool. Na. Okay, guys. We're gonna kill this today. We're not gonna make stupid mistakes. We're not gonna trade against the trend, right? Be smart. Be smart. Smart people. At least 2%. I mean, I don't know. I just want to make money today. Stop it. Stop it. Name unknown 2460. I got this from yesterday. Well, people experience issue with latest Ninja Trader update. Let me ask you what... So you don't have candles on your chart? Is that an issue? Because I have this issue for like 2 weeks. It's like some candles disappear. Missing candles. Data issue. Is that a problem you have? If so, like, I don't know how to fix this problem. We need to wait for update. Well, I connected my account this morning. Lady Williams. How to say this so? It doesn't sound like lady. Are you kidding me? I mean, probably you are, but it doesn't sound like that. I don't have problem to connect accounts. I just disconnected and connected again. Hey, Angry Trading Q, how are you doing today? Guys, so I'm not quite sure about my bias, so not 100% sure, but I probably will look for longs if we're gonna stay above daily open, 6 p.m. open, daily candle open, like call this whatever you like after market open. I'm doing great, as always. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Hit the like, guys. Share the stream. Hey, 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 how are you? You late today? You missed nothing. We don't have bias for now. Waiting for market to open. If it's gonna break daily open, not bullish. If you're gonna stay above this level, I'm gonna be bullish. So I don't know. Ow. True day open is New York midnight open. Nope. It must be in this indicator. Use this indicator. Sean, let me send you a link. It's free. Guys, use this indicator if you want to have like daily open, New York midnight open on your screen. True day open is New York midnight open. So you need to have this one. Day, week, month. Daily open. Hey Pasha, how are you? You can also use weekly open, monthly open. Opening price, I guess from the beginning it says true day open, but I renamed this to New York midnight open. Yeah, use this one. I love it. Just change colors if it's like too bright for you. And keep trying to break daily open, so trying to turn bearish to me, but at the same time, yes, still holding above. Psychological tips. So it's hard. Depends what you need, what you want to hear from me. You know, if you trade on TradeView, go on TradeView website and just lock your account. You're really welcome. Between them, C, minus, and plus. Minus means bearish. Plus means bullish. Sometimes I feel like I want to give up as well, unfortunately. Okay, guys, market is open. Let's focus a little bit. We just broke below daily open on NQ, so pictures turns bearish on NQ. Let's see if yes can catches up. Let's see. Trying to stay below 50% of this hourly week. Gonna switch on 5 here. Oh, I'm not going to give up. Just sometimes I feel this. So here's a gap, quite big gap, exactly where we anticipated to get this. Let's see if it's gonna retrace to fill this gap. Yes, fill this gap because we opened above buy side. Okay, a bit decoupled, yes. You shot from 125. Good job. Just divorce. Guys, you're giving me bad advice. Guys, I'm gonna come back in just 2 minutes, okay? Don't make stupid mistakes. If you need any advice, ask my chair. I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. And back. Cheers says full port. Yes, okay. Double divergence, which one is the correct one? So since ES staying above daily open is still bullish, so let's see how NQ will play with this level. Did you hear him? Nope. If I did this, like, I'm so sorry about this, my baby. Chris, you need to watch me not on mute. So see how NQ trying to break above daily open so far, so good. Retest of previous... Oh, it's not previous daily high. That's what I forgot to delete from my chart. Daily open is daily candle open. So if you go on daily chart, you see daily open over here. So we want to think how daily candle is gonna form. Where it's gonna be high, where it's gonna be low, if it's gonna be bearish or bullish candle. So far we traded below daily open, right? Several times. So can it be enough for me as considered as manipulation? Technically, yes. That's why I keep saying if it's gonna retest and stay above daily open, we will get a real range expansion. So it will form the body of bullish candle. So we will be bullish until the end of the day. Hope it makes sense. Same on NQ. So far we tested daily open again, and as you can see, we're trading below this level. So technically that's enough for manipulation. But to form range expansion, distribution, or body formation. But once again, for now, unfortunately, no setups. And I cannot say like I really want to long NQ yet. But Judas swing was perfect. Let's see. Wish I could long this, but on NQ, but no setup for this. Nothing yet. NQ still looks a bit more bearish to me. If I want to compare this with yes, because NQ trying to hold daily open while ES already broke above this. I mean, staying above this level. Good morning. Good morning. If it's gonna offer rug pull, damn, it will be so good. Just let's short below daily open. I'm okay to miss initial move up. NQ looks not strong yet. I don't think in New York IM session will be consolidation. I'm still a bit more bearish on NQ. But the ES did good job. I'm bullish on the ES, so it's just funny. UFVG means untapped fair value gap. What is untapped? We never traded into this fair value gap yet. I mean, it's not untapped anymore. It was untapped before. It's just regular fair value gap now. You took long on ES. Good job. ES still, not ES, NQ still bearish to me. Maybe that's me. But I still see NQ as bearish. Just need to displace below daily open. Which chart is this? Okay, I have 2-minute chart open. We got Lumi level on 5, I just noticed this. Lumi levels potential change in the state of delivery on 5. Price trying to reject off this level. Guys, do we have any news at 10? 1 second. Today is Thursday. Nope. Okay. No, probably that's a lot. Okay. So I just do potential trade ideas, so I will not forget where I want to short from in case I want to short. Just to keep this on my chart, because I can forget exact level. And Q broke below daily open again, looks good. Still bearish on NQ. Still bullish on yes. Crazy. Yeah, guys, it's not in sync. Just wait. Just in case we're gonna pump higher, like I'm perfectly fine with this. This trade idea will be valid until the end of the day. This one. We have early order block on SPX, which is 13 points higher. So I believe we want to go there first. YM keep making all-time highs. That's wild. So I should pump another 10 points on ES and SPX. So we can hit 75.80. So we're gonna get, yeah, we're gonna get new high of the week today. Since it's a bit shifted, no, high of the week, yeah. So let's see if we're gonna get TJF today technically on ES, so we can trade ES today. Or NQ. Or ES. So I want to see ES and SPX higher. I cannot long this, unfortunately. But I don't expect to get big move up. So technically, ES, if it wants to drop, it will drop in like 10-15 points. Like from 75.85 or so. Oh god. I will look for shorts at this point. And at the same time, I want to see NQ trading below daily open. Don't want to scalp ES long. Kind of tricky here. Need to make new high of the week. It's Russian accent. Is it Russian accent? SPX left room to go higher, 6 more points higher. So this pink box is potential TGIF, but let me make this not that bright. It's potential TGF, TGIT because it's Thursday. I didn't label previous daily. I deleted this already. So it was wrong one. And one more point higher on SPX. Nice. Market is gonna be closed tomorrow. Yes, it's bank holiday, so still not fan of NQ. So I'm okay. Once again, as said before, I'm okay to miss this long. Perfectly fine with this. I would like to see NQ either staying above daily open. Right now we're just dancing on this level. SPX did not hit early OB yet. Okay. NQ still bearish. Don't trade tomorrow, please. You love the pink. Damn, I love this as well. I bought this like long time ago. I just didn't wear this on stream. I wear this like when I go to ice rink because it's damn so cold there. But yeah, it's cold today as well in my office. My like hands still cold. SPX needs to pump 2 more points. Keep this in mind. And NQ is so hard to say now. Long time no see, where were you, Carlos? So my kid's gonna stay home tomorrow. So it's gonna be 3 days weekend with two kids. 75.90. I don't really have levels higher than 75.31. I mean, we have minor buy side liquidity levels, but not really. Oh, the best. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. And Q still bearish. Once again, I'm okay to miss. As long as we above daily open on both yes and Q, I'm bullish. And Q cannot displace of daily open, so I cannot be like super bullish yet. It's not bullish to me yet on NQ. Yes, bullish, amazing, like really amazing move up, but once again without me. Cannot long NQ. At least yet, it's bearish. SPX playing like ugly games here. Hey SPX, you could take our OB for example. I said alert. Let's see. Yeah guys, let's wait. Market just opened. You'll get something. Right now nothing worth it. Gold so strong. SPX needs to pump higher. That's how I see this. Sorry guys. Needs to hit this area OB so bad. Come on. Yeah, we hit this early OB finally. Good. Nice reaction from New York midnight open and 9:30 AM open today. And Q still lagging here. Chris, what's the level? What's the price for this level? Let's see what will happen with New York midnight open. I'm gonna switch on the MNQ here. Is it big range? Oh, not that big actually. That's good. No, it's big. Never mind. 5. Thank you so much, Danielle. Let's see how we're gonna break this level. If you don't know how to use SPX, I explain this in my optimal trade entry, in other words, OT retracement video. Just go on my YouTube, find OT retracement. Optimal trade entry video. So I cover 3 options to use FIB retracement tool, and I talk about like third options there with examples on SPX and only SPX. I like how it's trying to hold New York midnight open so far. Let's see, I look for longs on NQ from here. So let's see, I may try this one. LumiTraders take profit trader accounts today. I'm doing so good there, so I can increase a bit risk there. Let's see if it's gonna displace off New York midnight open. I will try this one. Just enter it. What's the price for this level? 1 second. Finish executions just in case. 30,259. Guys, I'm typing in the chat levels where you can take partials. Chris, I really asked you about this like long time ago, about like your playbook. You never responded. That's funny. To 75. Yeah, guys, partial at 74, okay? No, I mean, he said like, I can share playbook with you. I said like, sounds great, amazing. And he never did. Look how we stuck at my key level here. Okay, it's fine. Dum. Okay. All right. Today just 5 accounts. I did so good last couple of weeks on my TPT, so gonna just increase a bit risk on these accounts. So doing good there. Funny how we see, guys, how we respected this key level. So far to the tick, that's done so good. Looks good here. $259, like, damn, that's nice. That's exactly where we reversed from for now. I mean, retrace from. So why I entered the trade? Because I broke above New York midnight open. So I saw this reaction, I entered the trade. That's pretty much it. That's the reason. Let's see if it can go towards 74, 75 level. And pre-market high. Is it pre-market high? Technically, yes, pre-market high. Ethereum. Okay. We don't have news at 10. I mean, news itself, I don't trade news itself. I don't know how to answer your question. Have you entered? I mean, seriously, I don't know how to answer this question. We're still above New York midnight open, so no reason to cut the trade. Yet. For me, it's kind of textbook. Displacement above New York midnight open, so definitely worth to try. Once again, I don't trade lots of accounts today, just my TPT. But, I mean, worth to try. I cannot short if I see displacement above New York midnight open. This means I'm willing to risk. Don't trade news. Like, why people trade news? I don't understand. It's crazy volatility, crazy slippage. What's the point execute the news? It's definitely not easy money. It's like, I call this stressful money. Like, what's the point? New York midnight open is 12 a.m. open. True day open. 12 a.m. New York time. Let's check SPX real quick. Kind of stuck at, where is my pointer? Kind of stuck at early order block, but no reaction yet. All I know, I cannot short if we're gonna stay above daily open and New York midnight open on NQ. I mean, if you see this picture in a bit different way, it's okay. We're all different. We trade differently, right? But this is how I look at this picture, this situation right now. 274.50 is my first partial. I cannot even trail. Do you believe in God? Yes. Interesting question, actually. what I'm going to type in the chat now, my targets, because it's really hard to see them. Pasha, what do you mean? Can you tap 274.50? I'm just asking. Just asking. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Kind of playing with me now. Okay, all right. I will take it. Some games. All right. Accept this. Accept this. I'm gonna accept this fact if you want to play games with me. Okay, all right. Just hit 274 for me. I can trail stop loss. No? Okay. Fuck! What? Why is this always happens with me? I'm Russian, I'm Belarusian. I mean, my dad is Russian, my mom is Belarusian. I speak Russian with my kids, with my family. Ah. I mean, technically it hit 274. I believe. What's the high of this? No, it didn't. Scam. What's the price for this level? I don't know. Oh, it's actually MMXM. Never mind. Around 600 bucks. 600 bucks on this trade. I said I'm gonna increase because I did so good on my TPT account, so worse to increase the risk. So it could be 2 micros trade on other accounts, but since I trade on the TPT, I said I'm gonna risk more. Because I had 3 targets where I would like to partial. That's why I entered 3 micros. And that's why I picked TPT for this. That's not a lot on this account. I mean, it was a lot a couple of weeks ago, but I made like lots of money on TPT, so I can technically afford this. I had 3 targets, so I wanted to have 3 contracts to take partial on these levels. I hope it makes sense. Damn, can you hit 274.50? I'm just asking. Stop these games. Damn, that's so funny, actually. Ah! See this? Well, I'm gonna trail to break even. But this one is scam. Oh. First CP hit. Guys, partial here. I mean, it's my friendly recommendation. Who I am to say like where you need to partial, but partial. Like so far, small lowercase w in the chat. Let's see if you're gonna get new high of the day. Oh. What was that? Did you see this? 318.50 next TP. Did you see this? Damn. Kind of interesting. Let's see if it's gonna tap 318 for me. And I'm gonna leave the rest to yesterday target. We were long yesterday on Q. It didn't hit my key level, so I'm gonna leave my runners there. We're up 100 points now. Like, not bad. We'll clean my chart a little bit. It's partial here 100%. And we went there because of my magnets, of course. Guys, when I say partial, seriously, take partial. I don't take partials at a random level, okay? Try to take as well. If you'd like trying to copy me, but it's not financial advice. I never recommend to copy my trades. I put my second TP 1 point below pre-market high. Yes, still strong in my opinion. Let's see if we can hold this consolidation around 220 and continue going higher to pre-market high. Guys, it's 100% break-even. We're trying to respect my key level. That's why I want to have like option to take partial. So let me highlight this consolidation. So technically, okay. Guys, if you want TPT account 3 days ago, account sent. Check your email, check your dashboard on Take Profit Trader website. So if you're gonna hold 226, I would like to get another expansion high to pre-market high. Let's see. Technically could put my stop loss there, but not gonna do this. They just started, so we still have lots of opportunities left. Let's see if you're gonna support this. Why? My? Why? Lock the door, Dasha. We just placed on 226. It was open, by the way. Partial level, we already took partial, 274. It was 274. It was kind of classic ICT long, in my opinion, where we entered as displacement. Like, it was classic ICT long based on New York midnight open approach. Once he brings my phone back, I will say. Say hello to people. SPX. So right now on SPX, from what I see, we're stuck at early OB, so technically no reaction yet. If it's gonna display somehow lower, so we can enter short. Yes, still strong in my opinion. And Q still respecting 226. Let's see if we're gonna get some reaction on SPX so we can short the ES later. Kind of boring right now. I mean, nice reversal from my key level. Happy I took partial. I mean, I love to take partials, you know this. Okay, the rest stop at damn it. The rest stop at break even. Made some good money today. Let's wait for another opportunity. Let's see if SPX gonna reverse soon. We will try to take short. But nice trade here, 100 points. Not bad. Like 1 hour, unfortunately. So this is what we have right now on ES and SPX. Let's see if we're gonna reverse from here soon. If I will see short, we will enter short. Okay, let me clean my chart after this trade. Small W for now. Looking for another trade. Yeah, small W, not bad. NQ still not NQ, ES still bullish. Praise the trader, take partial. I always say this, I'm gonna keep saying this every single day. Praise the trader, take partial. So we just retested New York midnight open. Let's see what will happen from here. But we reversed exactly from a partial. See? Importance of taking partials. Okay, let's wait for second chance. But it will be on ES. If I will short, it will be on ES. I do like SMT at high so far. But it will be on micro ES. Let me see where I would like to short from. Obviously not from here. Maybe this one. We'll short below 75.75. I think so. That's my plan. I still see like ES still bullish in my opinion. We just trace back to 2-minute order block, right? Over here. Tested this level. As well as OT retracement. Let's see if it worth to try look for the entry if we're gonna stay above 75.75, but the entry on NQ. ES still bullish. Nice ejection of New York midnight open. Let's see, I'm already under. The same targets at 318. This one. One should enter here. Yeah. Quick re-entry here. Not two contract, just one. It's my key level, Lumi level here. So basically gonna risk what I made on first trade. My Lumi level sitting at 275 again. So technically trying to risk exactly how much I made on previous trade. Putting my stop loss near New York midnight open. Strong rejection here. Or fair value gap. Not super, not fun of this trade, to be honest, but okay. I'm gonna leave stop loss here simply because risking exactly what I made. I'm gonna, like, worst scenario, gonna be break even on the day. This one. That's worst scenario what that can happen with me. Break even on the day. Just, I feel like it left room to go higher, trying to respect New York midnight open. Worst scenario, once again, break even on the day. Da-dum-dum. I like this tight risk, you know. No shorts. If you're gonna stay above New York midnight open, I cannot short this. And if you will short, I will short on ES below 75.75. Well, break even on the day. Down $5 on the day so far. Okay, gonna switch on MES here. No, still respecting New York midnight open. First trade was here. The entry didn't work. Cannot short. We'll short only on ES. We'll short on ES below 75.75. Let me see. I'm on ES, okay. So far done $5 on the day. Looking for another trade. Cannot short. We still holding New York midnight open. We still holding my key level on ES. What? Why? Why? Let's see if he is gonna trade off 75.75. Still bullish on ES. Damn, it's interesting picture. But I will short this one. Oh, I deleted, but I will short below 75.75. Still bullish on ES. Let's check SPX real quick, guys. Still stuck at early OB, but at the same time tested 50% of order block. Looking for the third try, actually. I'm cold today, right? It's actually wild. My hand's super cold. We have SMT at lows again. Damn, I don't want to enter several times. Yes, so bullish. SPX, what? Not SPX. Thank you. What are you doing? I'm looking in the queue again. So far break even on the day. Oops, I deleted this. Okay. I feel like Kinky trying to play games with me. So technically we get the tracement back to OT. I know. We broke below New York midnight open. We'll try exactly the same opportunity only if it's gonna break above New York midnight open. Not yet. And kill long bias. I mean, technically, yes, it was. It's really hard to engage. Well, my career is trying. I mean, he is trying. Here to drop below 75.75. Nice SMT at highs. That would be my trade idea to try. Yeah, I will enter the CS trade. Let's see if we're gonna break 75.75. I like this one. Can you please leave this room? It's a little bit annoying, just like a little bit. Close the door. I can't. Dasha, it's fine. It was your choice. Yeah, yes, short. Another try here. I will close the door, guys. 1 second. It's okay, Dasha. It's fine. It's fine. A little bit annoying, but it's fine. Everything is okay, Dasha. I can't. I have you 5 minutes, guys. He enters the room. So let's see how big it is. I would like to short in yes here. This let me calculate risk first. I don't know how many contracts I want to trade. Technically, if I'm gonna enter somewhere here, I can trade 4 or 5 micros. Let's see if we're gonna break 75.75. I will try to short. Just need to break 75.75. It's over here. Will risk around like $350 on this trade. With like 4 contracts. Playing games. NQ just tested daily open, New York midnight open. Looks good, honestly, here on an ES. Ah, damn. I love it. Okay. Let me just quickly check 30-minute chart. Well, I mean, let's give this a try. Just broke 75.75. Too many tries for me, but I'm trading just TPT accounts, so nothing else. That's all I want to trade today. Mean threshold of 15-minute order block sitting at 62.25. And well, why I entered this trade? NQ just broke below daily open. NQ just broke below the. Do I show you even executions? I hope so. We just broke below daily open and 9:30 AM open. So definitely that's a signal for me to try short. Looking at SPX, let me show you SPX. 1 second, guys. What did I just do? What happened? Nothing? Well, SPX offered 2-minute to be off hourly order block. I don't know. Worth to try. Also, I forgot to highlight open. Is it? 1 second, guys. Up, open, close. Okay, open, close, open. So just partial here, break even on me, for me on this trade. Back to be green, up to $150. That's actually a funny story, like, okay, whatever. 35, guys, let me extend my target. How many contracts left? 2? Okay. All right, 2 contracts left. We're approaching New York midnight open. Here's our TGF. 54 is your next TP, guys. 54, okay. $54. So next TP is your TGIT levels. Guys, we took 3 trades in a row. Like, it's exactly how you need to, like, react when you see, like, market. We see, like, we respecting New York midnight open, try. We see we respecting, we're trying to reject of this level, try. And that's not bad, guys. As long as you manage your risk, it's always good. So I'm waiting for the test of New York midnight open, 9:30 AM open. At this point, we're gonna get TGI. Damn, guys, we're up 20 points. I just realized this. I forgot what I wanted to say. Yeah, 20% of weekly range. So since it's short week, here's our TGIF trail. No reason to trail. And she basically off 15-minute chart. So guys, don't forget to take some off at New York midnight open and 9:30 AM open. It's TGIT. Coincidentally, it's TGIT. Why don't have price levels here? It's 54.75. Okay, 1 tick higher. My bad. Give me TGIT. I'm ready. Drop it there. TGIT. 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 It's TJF. For me, 1W, 1 break even, 1 loss, and it's win because I already green on the day. Again. Hey! You want to tell me you leave me here? No, don't do this. Go lower. Give me 20% of weekly range. I want to see 54.75. We got 2 longs only in Q today and 1 short on ES. Green on the day again. Thank you, partial. Really want to see TJT. Come on. Stop it. And I want to see daily open after this 35. Yeah. Come on. Come on. It was like really... I know how to see what the price was here. Unfortunately. How can I do this actually? Oh, it's over here. Okay, got it. Got it. No, it's not here. It's over here. Yeah. It was like 2 ticks away. Guys, I'm green on the day. No reason to close the trade simply because it's trying to retrace. What's the point? To cut the trade. Yes, it's retracing. Okay. Alright. We didn't even sip New York midnight open and 9 AM open. It's okay. Reason to close? No reason. Simply trying to... Like, we took partial. Simply because it's trying to retrace here. I mean, guys. I know how to manage my accounts. So, I'm doing like just okay on this. Just gonna trail a little bit here. I don't like we didn't get TGIT though. It was so close. Like, so close. Like, so close. But I'm fine with this, you know. Damn, I trade a lot today. 2 ticks, Daniel. It was 2 ticks away from my TP. Thank you for giving my phone back. Okay, Daniel. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna accept this. No. Oh, guys, we need to do giveaway soon. Because I'm gonna stream at 11 AM today on Ninja Trader. Why I went here? 1 second. We will continue trading there. Today I'm getting like 1 hour trade. Quick check of MNQ. 1 second, guys. Went through... I'm gonna delete this one. No, I'm gonna leave this one. Since I took this trade. We partialed here. We went through this already for a while. That's what I was meant. Like if it's gonna be drop, we should went through this level 100%. And you keep trying to sell off more. Funny to say next stop gonna be at weekly open. Damn. I want to see New York midnight open retest on ES. And 9 AM open. That's exactly where our 20% of weekly range. Michael, you know what the problem is? Since we trade in ES, like this week, when we trade ES, like ES doesn't care about NQ. That's super annoying. Like seriously. That's super annoying. I have, please? Just ask if you can do this. 75, damn, give me TGIT, and I want to like be done for nothing. I mean, I'm gonna continue trading today. Oh guys, 1 second. My fault here. I need to put one contract. Only 2 contracts left. Forgot. We were about to be out on this trade completely. I have 2 micros only. Happy I saw this in like on time. Because it could close the trade completely. I could be disappointed because of this. Please, like 54.75. Yeah, I know you want this. You failed to take New York midnight open. Stop playing these stupid games. Why are you trying to go up without like hitting any important key level? I'm watching you. Sorry, guys. Stupid games. Okay, guys, let's enter giveaway because I'm gonna do giveaway at 10:50. So like in 9 minutes, I'm gonna do giveaway at 10:45 because we need to switch on another stream. I'm gonna stream next 2 hours on a Ninja Trader Live. And today I'm going to lose accounts. Yes. Let's try to be friends. All I ask is New York midnight open. Is it that hard? I don't think so. Just hit this. And that's it. It's funny because if it's gonna fail to take this level now, we are gonna get nice short later. Maybe like in 1 hour, like during lunch. Which I also like. Okay. I'm super annoying. Never got CJ. Okay, whatever. Let's just enter giveaway, guys, okay? For your information, we took partial at 62 because it was min threshold of 15-minute order block. Sorry, my mic. I hit you, I know. We took partial at 62. Next key level, probably I want to completely cut this trade at TGIT, but since we're trading below daily open on NQ, so technically we can drop there as well. So I cut 3 micros. I was in with 5, so 2 left. So I'm getting on the day, which is good, but what not good, we didn't hit key level. Guys, did you enter giveaway? Where's MMXM, by the way? He was sending me messages this morning. Okay, I got it. Drop on NQ wild. Like it was huge. How many points? Like 3. How many points it dropped? 300 points down. That's a lot. Guys, we need to give in 5 minutes. Enter giveaway now. My TPT doing good. So once you pass your take profit trader, you're not gonna have consistency on funded. So you can trade like as much as you want, as well as no payout cap. So once you above the buffer, you can take even like $100, $200, 300 points. That's damn a lot. Actually. I don't even want to look at this chap on 3-minute chart. Give me New York, please. I'm gonna be kind and polite. Can you please give me a New York midnight open? Give me TGIT, in other words, TJF. Please. Yeah, that's all I ask. Please. Well, yes. You know, like, I didn't want to do this. I was trying to avoid it. But you don't give me any other options. I have to put magnets. I didn't want to do this, I promise. But you started consolidating. Forgot about phone. You started consolidating, market makers. Just give us 20%. Why are you trying to consolidate this? Just 75, 54.75. Yes, that's it. Just go there. And you selling off, like, what you doing with ES? Yeah, just go down. Let's be nice with us. We took 3 trades, yes. It was hard mentally, just trapped to our TP. Guys, don't forget to click the like button. We need to start giveaway soon, okay? How many likes we need? Like, let's do 100 more likes. TGIT, TGIT, TGIT. It's TJF. It's just Thursday. Yay! I hit my base hit. That's funny. W. One more time. One more time, W. Yay! Final TP is daily open. Where's daily open? At 35.50. Why I always put this like couple of ticks lower? Okay, 50. We're up 30 points. Let's trail. I was in with 5 micros. Micro left. So this micro not gonna change situation like too much. I just happy it worked because I'm gonna be honest about this. When you take loss on stream, mentally hard to enter another trade. But at the same time, I take trades on stream. So I have to take another trade because if I'm not going to take this, I'm gonna miss this trade. I'm gonna keep trailing. Look, guys, damn, look at NQ now. I mean, it's funny, but not funny. Okay, I'm gonna leave here. Let's see if it's gonna drop the daily open. So I cannot be like super bearish as long as we stay in above daily open. I already said this before. Yeah. I want to close at daily open 100% simply because I don't know if we're gonna sweep this level to continue going higher or we're gonna like sell through this level to go all the way down to London low. I don't know. Like, seriously, I don't know. Like, I'm asking myself now if my second trade could be easily avoided. Nope. I could not avoid this simply because we got exactly same setup as was before. We slipped New York midnight open, candle closed above New York midnight open, so definitely I had to try again. But happy I risked like my previous profit, so I didn't lose. I lost $5, I guess, because of commission. So just asking myself if I could avoid this, nope. I would take this trade over and over again. Yeah, I have like, well, I trade liquidity sips in order blocks, but I use different confirmations for entries like 10 a.m. open, New York midnight open, a daily open. And my new video on my YouTube coming next week. It's gonna be about this. It's gonna be new lesson, how to build intraday bias. And funny to say, because this is a setup pretty much same happened on NQ. And what I'm going to cover today, not today in my lesson, is gonna be how to short this, because exactly same setup happened on NQ today. And well, whatever. Let's do giveaway. Yeah, I have no time. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. Just to make sure. Everyone entered giveaway. I guess yes. Let's do giveaway. First winner is... Are you in the chat? Just say yes. Or I'm here, something. Alexander C _04. Are you here? I mean, he has 20 seconds to claim the prize. Let's see. No? No? Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, he's not here. Okay. Okay. Let's pick first winner again. Let's pick first winner again. Interesting username. So guys, I'm still holding, not going to trail stop loss yet. We don't have protected high. Just gonna leave this here. Oh, winner's here. Okay, let's pick another one. I'm going to send you accounts today, but guys, you can activate today, but please don't try to blow them today simply because it's PM session, last day of the week. Probably it's gonna be like a bit garbage. And our second winner, guys, still going lower here. Still not protected high, so I cannot trail my stop loss by any means. Like, no way I'm gonna trail stop loss to the swing high because it's not valid swing high yet. We want to use protected swing points. Second winner, yeah. Okay, 2 winners here in the chat. So, quick update, like when I'm going to stream today. I'm gonna stream today from 11 to 1 p.m. on Ninja Trader Live. And from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. I'm gonna be on TradingView TV for woman hours. So I'm gonna stream like today until 2:30 p.m. So now I need to leave this stream. I'm gonna send you a link now where I'm going to stream in 10 minutes. I just need to go there already. If you want to continue trading with me, go here. I'm gonna be here just in 10 minutes. You know, all classes, kids classes, it had to be a hockey class today. All classes cancelled for this week and until Sunday. So my kid's gonna stay in daycare like until 5:30 today. So I have lots of time and I decided to spend this time with people. So guys, link in the chat. I'm gonna stream just in 10 minutes there. Let's hit final W in the chat. We kill this today. Seriously, we kill this. Once again, second loss. I would say it couldn't be avoided because it was textbook setup, exactly same entry we took before. So we did good as always. Finishing this week green on all accounts. Proud of myself, proud of my performance. I'm always proud of myself, no matter what. I'm humble. Well, guys, see you in 9 minutes, okay? 9 minutes. Link in the chat. Okay? If you have any questions, send me in Discord, Twitter, Instagram, somewhere, okay? Love you. See you soon.